I couldn't find any potatoes when I was poking around yesterday, but look at, the rain made them pop right out of the ground. It washed the dirt away from them. We had 2 inches of rain, so I better pick these ones before they turn green. Same on this hill. At least the red ones did that. So it's a good thing I just spotted that. Look like pretty nice potatoes. Look at the size of these. There's a white potato that's sticking out of the ground. There's some more babies under there. I'll cover them up so they don't turn green until I'm ready to pick them. Oh, here's another big one. Sticking out of the ground. You can see it started to turn green a little bit. Getting it right at the right time. I had these hilled up some, but the rain knocked it down. This one's good. I'll check them all.